Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Tony over at Homeowner Repair, and the guys over at Cleantech sent in this air purifier to us to test out, see how we liked it, and to do a review for them on it. This thing's really cool. What it'll do is it'll suck in the air and purify it for you and get some of the harmful germs and bacteria out of it. So this is a medical grade air purifier, and it'll do up to 200 square feet. It's perfect for like an office or a home, a living room. I usually keep it in my living room. This actually would be great too for like a gym or a yoga studio to get some of the germs and that musty smell out of the air. So this product has really kind of helped my allergies out quite a bit, right, Grayson? So the air purifier has two modes. It has a 2-hour max mode, which is kind of like a higher fan, and a 24-hour minimum mode. So if you press the power button once and turn it on, it defaults to the 2-hour max. So the air purifier will run for 2 hours, and then it'll automatically shut off after 2 hours. So if you press the button twice or an additional time, it kicks down to the 24-hour mode, and it cuts the fan to half power. So this will run continuously till you shut it off. So as you can see, there's light up inside the chamber, and that is what kills the bacteria. What happens is that the air gets sucked up underneath here. It travels up, and the heavier particles get trapped with a Hepa filter. And then the smaller particles, which may consist of like bacteria, whatever it might be, go inside the chamber, or it gets destroyed by the medical grade light inside, and the fresh air comes out of the top right here. So to change the Hepa filter, it's really pretty easy. You're gonna see 4 like legs right here on the bottom, and they're actually screws too. So you can unscrew these. You don't need any tools to change it, and it'll come right out. And now you can replace your filter. This is what it looks like. And to replace it, that's all you do is put your new filter back in. You can buy them right off of the Cleantech website. Put your base back on. Then screw the screws that also function as feet back onto the base. And now you're back in business. If you want to purchase the product, there's a link in the description of this video. You can click on the link and shoot right over to Cleantech's website and purchase the product there.